The students at Woorana Park are building a 3D printed humanoid life-size robot. And if you look around at the iPad, it actually has a video describing and showing how this robot works. It's voice activated, also has cameras for the eyes to mimic human movement. This one here, or that one? Yeah. Okay, we just be careful we don't.
Maybe I'll try to pinch it.
This is a bit tight actually. This is a bit tight.
Yeah.
And it loosens up.
That will loosen up.
Yeah.
So how much do we reckon we need of string? Do we need all that string there? No? Okay.
Which finger's that?
Right.
Oh.
Yeah. Okay.
Open source.
It's open source.
Anyone can build it.
Anyone can build it. So it's all out there.